Hello guys, welcome to Tech. Before getting into today's video, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the red color subscribe button. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and comment below in the comment section about the review. The 10E is a best budget phone under 7000 rupees price range. The 10E is a product of Amazon which is only available in amazon.com. I will leave the link in the description so that you can check the product in Amazon. I will give a quick review of this phone. This phone has a 5.5-inch IPS LCD screen which is a full HD display. The display is covered by a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The phone comes with a Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor chipset, which is a good chipset under this price range. The phone comes with two variants, which is one is a 16GB variant, the other is 32GB variant. The 16GB variant has a 2GB of RAM and the 32GB variant comes with a 3GB of RAM. Coming to the camera, the rear camera of this phone has a 30 megapixel and the front camera has a 5 megapixel. The battery of this phone, which has a 4000 mAh battery. The phone has a dual SIM capability, which is also supported by a micro SD card slot. The phone has a fingerprint sensor, which is a good thing under this price range. The mobile phone runs on the 7.1.2, which is a Nougat OS, which is a recent Android OS, which is also a stock Android experience you can get.